And one of the UMV jumping the lights. Another of Starmer's imports. An unregistered motorbike coming up behind me. So it's one way, you know. Now he's in our contraflow cycle lane. Another of these scummy cunts at Deliveroo used to keep the fees down with the full support of a treacherous government and a corrupt police. Jumping the lights, unregistered motor vehicle. Yep, the one on the UMV there is following me through. No motor vehicles there, it is signposted. It does include illegal motor vehicles like yours. There's one driving an unregistered motor vehicle in our cycle lane. There's an unregistered motorbike in our cycle lane there. One there driving an unregistered motorbike on the footpath. Jumping the lights and on the pavement on an unregistered motor vehicle. What a twat! Another one driving an unregistered motor vehicle on the pavement. Another Starmer's imports, putting legitimate couriers out of business. And there's another unregistered motorbike on the pavement. Jumping the lights, unregistered motor vehicle. Whoa! Jumping the lights. There's one driving an unregistered motorbike in our cycle lane. Whoa! Jumping the lights, jumping the lights, jumping the lights. All the scum. And another one, jumping the lights. Cyclists, motorists, all the scummy scum, jumping the lights. Oh, there's one driving an unregistered motorbike in the cycle lane there. What a tosser. You dickhead on the UMV. Oh, he's on the pavement now as well. Jumping the lights. Another scumbag on an unregistered motorbike. There's another one on the UMV jumping the lights. Jumping the lights. Oh, an unregistered motorbike in our cycle lane there. And there's another one driving an unregistered motorbike on the footpath. And that's a closed pass from the plat on the unregistered motorbike. That's a closed pass from the twat on the unregistered motorbike. Jumping the lights. And there's a UMV on the pavement. Look at that, unregistered motorbike on the wrong side of the road, bloody hell. Another one driving an unregistered motorbike through the park. There's one driving an unregistered motorbike in our cycle path. Oh, he's driving his unregistered motorbike on the pavement there. Oh, there's one on an unregistered motorbike going the wrong way up a one-way street. Hope you get hit by a bloody van. Oh, UMV in the cycle lane.